there's something deep down in human nature that wants this, that we want other people to experience what we experience. We want other people to like the things that we like. That's why we give restaurant recommendations, right? Oh man, this new restaurant opened up down the road. It's so good. Have this thing there. Just try it. Or give golf tips to one another, or beauty advice, or child rearing advice. Like, you just need to try this thing, or this product, or this experience. Because deep down, human nature, we want people to like what we like and experience what we experience. Yet if we believe that there is hope in the resurrection, then we need to take heed of the words that the angel gave to the women at the tomb. Go and tell. As the women went to tell the disciples, they run into Jesus, and Jesus echoes the words of the angel, and he says, go and tell my followers so that they can come and experience me too. Maybe, just maybe, we need to go back to the people that we give TV advice or restaurant tips or, recommend this product or this experience. The people that we go and readily share all of these other things with and share with them the hope of Jesus. What Jesus has done for us. Just tell them. Jesus means this to me. And take it the step further and invite them to come and see for themselves. Come and experience this thing. Running Alpha for the last 2.5 months, I've learned 3 things. The first is Jesus changes lives when people are open to experience him. I've watched it happen. I can't wait to do it again. Jesus changes lives of people who are open and receptive to Jesus. Number 2, people come when they're invited. They don't come if they're not invited, but they very well may come if they are invited to come and see. And number 3, I believe that the church should not be full of Christians. If it is full of Christians, God help us. But instead, I think the church should be full of Christians walking alongside of people who have come to see this thing for themselves. They may not believe any of it, and that's okay. But they've come to see. That's what I want church to be, that we are a people who are open for others to come and see and experience and question and kind of struggle with it as they go, but we're patient enough to walk alongside of people who don't believe any of it, but they're here. So I'm excited that we're going to run Alpha again this summer. So if you know somebody, a friend, a family member, a coworker that you think, man, this thing sounds like them, invite them. We'll start mid-June. We'll have more details, the time and date soon, but come with them. Bring them the first night. But may we be a people and a church that walk alongside of those who are coming to see for themselves.